Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can create a morph target from FBX files using Mesh Morpher in Unreal Engine 5. So first we will have to get our FBX file from Unreal Engine. We will select our skeletal mesh, right click on it and select Asset Actions and Export. Once we have the chance to select the path, choose your path correctly and hit save. Leave these options unchanged or change them accordingly to your needs. For our workflow, these options don't really matter. Okay, so we just hit export. It will take a little bit for this FBX file to be exported, and now that we exported it, we can duplicate the FBX file. Now that we have a duplicate, we have to open this duplicate file in Blender. Go to File, Import, and select FBX. And now that we can select the path, navigate to your folder and select the duplicate. Import FBX. Now that our metahuman is imported, we can go ahead and hide the secondary LODs. We have a lot of LODs and we need to hide them. Mesh Morpher will work only with LOD 0. So we go to sculpting. As you can see, all LODs are rendered right now. So we have to drop down here on Ettore Face Mesh and select all other LODs and hit H. Now reselect the LOD 0, go to Edit, Sculpt, sorry, we have to go to Sculpt. Go to Sculpt and just sculpt your metahuman as you want to. We will just add some shapes here so we can identify everything is correctly added in Mesh Morpher, and that's it. I think it's fine. Let's export it. You can overwrite the duplicate file, already existing duplicate file, and to make it easy you have to select -y as the forward axis, right? Click Export FBX, and now we can go ahead and import the FBX files in Mesh Morpher, right? So select your skeletal mesh which you exported to FBX and click on Mesh Morpher. Now that we have our skeletal mesh open, let me decrease a little bit the sensitivity so we can navigate easily. Go to Tools and click on Create from FBX Files. Just decrease a little bit the sensitivity so we can navigate easily, and select your FBX files, right? So for the base FBX file, we will select our exported FBX file from Unreal Engine, right? The original one. Hit open. It will take a little bit, so be patient. And now we can go ahead and select the modified FBX file, the one which we exported from Blender. Hit open. Okay, everything is imported right now in Mesh Morpher, but our FBX files are oriented in the wrong direction. In order for this creation of morph target to be successfully, both FBX files need to face the same direction as our skeletal mesh. So we will change the axis as a front to Y axis for both base and FBX and morph the FBX files, right? And now we go to morphed and do the same thing. Pick a morph target name. We will go with test 1, 2, 3. Leave the threshold the default value and just remove the smoothing iterations, so we don't have to change the shape on the boundary vertices, right? So we will keep the shape as it is, and we will not affect what we don't need to, right? Hit OK. And let's see what's the result. It will take a little bit for this to be processed. It's done. And now we can go ahead and open test 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it looks the same way as exported from Blender. Let's save. And let's see how it looks in Skeletal Mesh Preview. It looks fine. It looks the same way as exported from Blender, so this was a successful import. This is it for this video. I hope you like this new feature for Mesh Morpher to import morph targets from FBX files. Mesh Morpher only imports LOD0, so keep that in mind. You can have only one LOD, or if you have multiple LODs, it will pick the one with the highest vertex count, right? So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, see you around, guys. Bye.